Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable and rechargeable 450 lumens lamp that I think it's super cool for like a studio if you want, like for filming. This is kind of like a softbox light as well, or a hairline light as well for video, for photography, and of course for if you're studying or something like that, back to college and you don't want to bother others. This one could be a really good option. It ranges from 2700 to 6000 Kelvin, so that's actually really good temperature range, and of course it comes with a remote controller. This thing is rechargeable via USB-C, so it's super easy. You're gonna see something super cool. Remote controller, of course, works perfectly as you can see over here, but this thing right here that is not hot, this is the bulb which comes with a magnet, so you can actually deattach the magnet and attach it and just like charge it. This thing is what is gonna have the USB-C, so you can charge it while plug, it's not plug, it's just with the magnet, or just take it out, charge it, and use it as a regular light right here. For example, like a spotlight, if you need something like this, you can put it just like this and move it whatever you want with just this bulb over here. But I do like it how it is right here with the lamp, which by the way, you can deattach one of this and make it to be a little bit more lower if you want. But this kind of like golden access is kind of like really nice, this accents over here. So let me actually turn off the light so you can see better. So take a look at this right here. You can dim the light. You have a timer. You have 1 minute, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes as a timer with the remote controller, so that's super nice. And then you have, this is the 2700 Kelvin, this is the 4500 Kelvin, and this is the 6000 Kelvin. So you're gonna have those ranges of temp, which is a bottom, which I think it's super cool. Or you can actually dim it as well. You can dim the light right here, as you're gonna see, just to avoid kind of like bothering others, of course. So this is actually super cool, as I was telling you before. Really nice, portable, rechargeable, and also really nice softbox and hairline, and also a really good one if you're studying as well. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.